everyone, I'm Anthony, and this is the Biotech Brief, where I give you short and simplified updates about the biotech industry. Many of you might remember the big E. coli infection that hit Chipotle restaurants earlier this year, and as many unfortunate Chipotle customers learned, some strains of E. coli bacteria can make you really sick. But for this brief, I'll tell you about how a group of biologists is creating an entirely new life form through E. coli bacteria. In an ongoing experiment, Harvard biologists are attempting to make an unprecedented 62,000 changes to the DNA of E. coli bacteria. If that means nothing to you, stick with me for a minute. Basically, if this experiment is successful, it'll be the most complicated genetic engineering feat we've seen as humans so far. More importantly to most people, this bioengineered E. coli would be resistant to all known viruses. The E. coli would also be able to produce proteins which are responsible for most of the functions in our body, unlike any found in nature. This is a really important experiment because the results could eventually allow us to create farm animals, human cells, and transplant organs that are resistant to disease on a genetic level. Obviously, there are safety concerns when you're making significant changes to bacteria that can harm humans, like E. coli, but the Harvard team has come up with a potential safeguard similar to the one used on the bioengineered dinosaurs in Jurassic Park. In Jurassic Park, the dinosaurs need a special nutrient provided by the humans in order to survive. Well, in this case, the bioengineered E. coli would need an artificial amino acid to survive, which would mean it couldn't survive inside of us or outside the lab like other E. coli can. For more info on what's going on in the biotech industry, make sure to follow the Biotech Brief YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.